What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to go over a set that's retiring at the end of 2025. We need to determine whether this is a good set to invest in or if it's one that we should avoid. This set has been sitting on the shelf and has been struggling to sell. Even with a sale, this set has consistently been on sale and sadly, it's still not moving. When I made the initial video on the release, I want to say there was a lot of discussion about people really not liking this set. A few people did like it. I'm honestly surprised sets like this and sets this size don't really do that well, but maybe that's an indication that we should not invest in this set. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this set. Comment down below will definitely help the channel, help the community. I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you're having a great day or a great night, depending on when you watch this video. But let's dive into it. Today we're talking about the Droideka. This is item number 75381. The set is 583 pieces. You get 422 LEGO Insider points if you order from lego.com or the store, and it retails for $65. So this set has consistently been on sale for what, $51.99? And people are just passing it up. I see it in stock all the time. These sets do not move. There's no really talk about it on Facebook or YouTube. So generally looking at it, it's not a good investment. Do I think they did a pretty good job with this? Yeah, I think they did a great job. I do like how it can roll. They're known for that. So overall, the design is pretty decent, but it's just a rough looking set. It's just maybe one of those sets that you shouldn't make in LEGO form. At $65, this should have probably been a $39.99 set, but I'm just a little shocked that it hasn't gone on a massive discount. It has been consistently the $51 or whatever it is at Target and Walmart, so that's a little odd to me. It is nice, you get the plaque and then the little Droideka and then the 25-year plaque, but how are you feeling about this set? Initially, for me, I kind of see maybe the benefit that it's so bad that it's good. People aren't buying it, so there's going to be a lot less inventory compared to other sets. But I just don't like the set. I think aesthetically, I don't like it. And I don't really invest in sets that I don't like. So I think I'll probably avoid this set, investing in it. But let's take a look at maybe some other droids similar to this, see how well they've done, and see if this one has a potential. Now, there is one thing that is really awesome about this set that has it going for it. It's got the 25th anniversary on the box, the line. There are a lot of people out here that are collecting the full complete lineup. So you have to take that into consideration. And really thinking about it, maybe I probably might just buy one just in case. So let's see what we got here. So this set came out May 2024. It is retiring at the end of 2025. It's got a price per piece of 11 cents, so a little bit high. The market price right now is $53.87, which is pretty shocking. That's really high. And this is the sub-theme episode 1. So let's take a look at some sets in the sub-theme, kind of compare how they've done. We're not going to look at the really old sets because those just anything that old is going to do awesome. Let's see, we got Anakin's Pod Racer, the 20th anniversary edition. Retail for $30, value of $60. We got the Trade Federation Troop Carrier. This was extremely popular gift with purchase. It is $48.55. And yeah, it looks like we'll have to go a little bit older. The Duel and Naboo, retail for $25, value of $86. Item number 75080, the AAT, retail for $25, value of $91.46. And then the Flash Speeder, item number 75091, retail for $30, value of $71.58. So, we got some pretty great profits, but a lot of these sets are old, and that's why they're doing really, really well. So let's see if we've got any other Droidekas. So we've got item number 75000, the Clone Troopers first Droidekas. That one is retailing $13, value of $62.87. Then we got the magazine gift. That one has a value of $5.07, and then ours. So not many. We do have one kind of similar to this, and that's the Destroyer droid. They're pretty much the same. This one was extremely popular, but again, it's really, really old. It's a Technic. You know how I feel about Technic sets. Just look at that. That's Uggo. This one retail for $50. Got a value of $330.74. Is it because it's an awesome set? No. I think it's because it came out in 2000. So we do have some similar kind of droids in this size, and I think LEGO was trying to create like a Star Wars helmet lineup for droids, and ultimately I think it has kind of failed. So we've got item number 75306, the Star Wars Imperial Probe droid. I remember when this came out, a lot of people said like, oh, it's going to be a new helmet, and they went hard on this. They bought a ton, retail for $60. Value right now of $65.45. This retired at the end of 2022. Came out 2021, so I would have expected this one to be a little bit higher, but this one fits alongside the Droid Eka. I mean, you could put those next to each other. Then next up, we've got the Star Wars DO, item number 75278. This was again a bad set, which is shocking because it retailed for $70. It's got a value right now of $75. I remember this going on sale. I remember my Barnes & Noble had this one probably a good year and a half after it retired. No one wanted to buy it. It's just a funny looking set, so it's kind of hard. Not a lot of people are going to want to put this on their shelf. This one's 519 pieces. You got one minifigure with it, which is the DO. That one's got a value of $322, so again, not good. And this one is a little bit bigger. This one's item number 75335, although I could see this being put up against all the other droids. This is the BD1. This set came out August 2022, retired December 2023. This one's 1,062 pieces, so double our set, and this is a phenomenal build. They did a great job with it. One minifigure got a value right now of $39.91. This one retailed for $100, got a value right now of $185. So again, is it a great comparison? No, but I could see somebody putting this droid up against the Imperial droid and the Droid Eka. But is the Droid Eka going to do anywhere near this one? Absolutely not. I think if you're lucky, I don't know. This could be one of those long plays where LEGO needs to figure out the full sub-theme and lineup. If they expand the lineup where we're getting other droids, same size, same price, then years down the line, this one could make a few bucks. But if we kind of get the lineup like we've been getting, where it's one every so often and the one's just mediocre, then it's probably not going to do the best. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this set. Honestly, I said I was going to avoid it, but if it hits a low enough price, I'm going to buy it. And that's just because of the box. Honestly, that's why. I will probably buy two. That's the most I would invest in. And 100% it's for the box only. So let's hear your thoughts and opinions. While you're commenting down below, I'm going to go over some of these sets on eBay. So we got our set. This one's doing $45 bucks, $33, 44, 41.95, 49.95, 45 bucks. $20 there. $45.52, $43.99. I would have expected this to be in probably the $38 range right now. I know we're not that far away, but yeah, like right here, $30, $47, $46. It's really shocking that we're doing the high 40s, but we got 32 here. That's pre-owned. Brand new $86.99. Something's wrong with that. Who would pay that? Just doesn't make sense. $42.86. So honestly, it's not doing the worst. I would have expected way lower. But the 25th anniversary is probably what's saving it. Next up, we've got item number 8002, the Destroyer Droid, pre-owned, $80. $50 there, $45. Let's see, do we have any brand new? Brand new for $100. Pre-owned, $165. $165.50 for brand new. I just think it's such a terrible looking set. But I know some people like Technic. I don't know why. $170. Not doing the worst. Doing pretty decent. Next up, item number 75306, the Star Wars Imperial Droid. We got $61.09, $69.95. $50, $59.95, $73, $74.99, $57, $65, $70, $60. Do you think this one has room to grow? Do you think we could maybe hit $90 one day? Australia, $107.37, which for some reason everything in Australia is just extremely expensive. $60 there, $75. I mean, I don't know. I kind of could see it going up in price a little bit, maybe max in the 70 consistently, but it's just not that. It's not a great looking set. All right, next up, item number 75278, the DO, $86.95, $60 pre-owned, $69.89, $79.59, $88.49, $69.94, $84.95, $65, 11 bid, $74.99, $63.65, pre-owned, $50. I don't know. How do you feel about this? Do you like this droid? I kind of feel bad for it, honestly. All right, next up, item number 75308, 335. The BD1, 175, 115 pre-owned, 120, 160 bucks, $150, 130, 160, $159. A pretty solid set. I mean, I'm sure this one went on sale, so if you've bought any of these droids and made money, I want to hear it. If you've been holding on to it, hoping that years down the line it's going to go up, I want to hear that too. So, how do you feel about our Droideka? Do you think it's a step up, this is going to earn some profits, or do you think it's going to be a failure, kind of like the Imperial droid? So I appreciate you watching. Shout out to everyone that watches this full video, likes, comments. Best way to help this channel. But I hope you have a great day and a great night. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.